Let's just make it bigger by hand, dude.
No, fuck off. Come on, Nick, just make it like a
No, fuck off.
Fuck off once in a while. I'm not saying him, let's just do it together. You gotta be fucked up.
That's awesome. Yeah, dude. Yes!
Huh? Get on!
Alright, that's some of those redneck shit.
You gonna do two-man or what?
Holy shit. How's that? Alright.
Sit on the back, dude.